Hi, I'm back at one of my favorite rooms at school. Yeah, art room. And I'm going to do some experience with ModRoc today. I promised my colleague that we're going to do something amazing today. He doesn't know what is going to happen with this ModRoc on his face. Shh. Hello, sir.
Hello.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Yes. Let's start then. Okay, we're starting by covering your face with cling film, so the ModRoc won't stick to your face and beard, all this.
Good.
Okay, I'll suffocate you like this. That'll be fun.
Yes, for a little bit.
I think a student will enjoy it. So starting covering nicely like this.
That's very relaxing.
Yeah, I will charge you £20 per hour.
Well, honey, I don't need to pay more than £20.
Right, so you can't talk anymore. What if this is a prank actually? I'm not gonna do any art. Come on guys, tie his hands. So small strips of ModRoc, soak it wet. You can take the excess amount of water like this and then place it in the area that you want to have the molders like this. Did I tell you I have to leave you here over the weekend to dry? Have a nice weekend. Yes. Yeah, you can get up. Sorry, I'm sleeping.
Oh,
This is how I look like. We're just gonna leave it to dry. Yeah.
Great.
Just needs.
Yeah, that's being used for Halloween. Right, this should be a combination of the shape of that with the lighting of this chap here who I just found on the internet. And all I've done is get light where it's light, so that bit there is the same as that light bit there, and loosely make it into this strange face. Obviously the colours are much stronger. I poked out these holes with scissors. Really I need to do something to it before I wear it because that's a bit, it drops dust in your eyes, which you don't want, so I have to affect that in some way. You can see I've cut out the edge there. What else do I want to say about it, really? That's 33 seconds already.
Do you wash your uniform?
And I'm using this acrylic. Acrylic paint paints your clothes and it's trying to hurt your clothes. So you have to sacrifice a lab jacket.
Great. Okay. Happy Halloween. Thank you very much, Mr. Parker. I hope you enjoyed it. Guys, thank you for watching. Have a great half term and see you soon. Cheers. Bye. Thank you, sir. You can remove.
Lovely.
Small escape. Put it back on. Put it back on.
How dare you?